Hey, it's your girl Shea. See how I went from this to this? Yes. Alright, so let's get into this hair review. So the hair that I'm wearing, this ombre tri-color hair, I did purchase it on Amazon. It's from a company called BACANA or BACANA. The hair was $6.99 per pack. I initially purchased 3 packs of this hair. You can see it goes from pink on the bottom to yellow and then up to the green. It was $6.99 per pack. I ordered it from Amazon. It was my first time ordering it. It's supposed to be a jumbo braid, but I'll get into that in a minute. So yeah, I found the company on Amazon. Again, it's called BACANA or BACANA. 5-star review. Not a paid sponsorship, but price was reasonable, so that's why I got it. They also gave you a little free gift inside. Let me get that out. This little gift comes with a hair, so each pack of hair you get, you'll get one of these inside. It's a hair woogie. You don't get a choice of color, you just get whatever one they put inside. So this is what the hair looks like outside of the package, going from the pink to the yellow and then up to the green. The hair, even though it says it's a jumbo pack, didn't look like jumbo to me. I've seen packs of hair with larger amounts in there, so that was a con for me. But I will say a pro for me in this hair, being that it was my first time ordering it on Amazon, is that it separated really well. So let me show you how I separate the hair. So as you can see, I've got this handy dandy spool rack that I bought on Amazon for about $17. Generally it's for yarn, but it can be used for hair as well. Buying one of these will be a lifesaver for you. Once you separate the hair, it's so much easier and quicker to put the box braids in. You do want to be sure and make sure that you're separating it evenly. You can either guess depending on the size you want, or one tool that I found from another video was use the size of your finger as the measurement of the size of the braid you want. That helps out tremendously. Making sure that you have enough hair is also evident. I bought like 3 packs and it wasn't enough. I then ordered another one. That took like a day or 2, and as you can see, out of those 3 packs, I only had half my hair done. So yeah, I ended up having to go to my local beauty supply store and get a color that was not the color of this ombre, but it still worked out in the end to match up perfectly with the color that I had. So be sure you get enough packs of hair. That's the lesson. And here is the complete look. Yes, get into these colors. So bright and vibrant. Stay tuned and see how I styled it. Some of the viewers have asked for styles. Get ready. These are for you. Okay, so that's it for the styles. Thank you for tuning in to my show. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or you can go to my Instagram and leave me questions there, and I'll do my best to answer any questions. And if you have any style ideas as far as what color I should do next, or braid styles or crochet styles, drop them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. It's your girl Shea. Be sure to catch our other videos as well on the Origin Next TV. We've got King's Tiny Garage, and we also have My Name is Gris for all you pet lovers out there. And remember to stay tuned for more reviews from your girl Shea. More hair reviews as well as product reviews. Don't forget, as always, peace, love, light, and share my videos with the world.